From patient care to patient loyalty, creating a thriving practice from retention and growth. Hi, my name is Amit Gaglani and I'm a healthcare entrepreneur. I've had the success and fortune of building my company and selling it twice. And now my mission is to help you, the private practice entrepreneur, create the practice of your dreams by putting systems in place and utilizing the knowledge that I've had for the last 25 years and I've successfully used to exit out of my company. Let's first talk about the importance of patient loyalty in your practice's sustainability. Patient loyalty means consistent revenue stream. If you have consistent patients that are coming to you and that know you and like you, you're going to get consistent revenue from them. For word of mouth referrals, the best word of mouth referrals come from patients that have been treated extremely well. Those are your consistent patients. Your patient outcomes will get better and better, and you'll notice it because you'll have more returning patients, that you've delivered a great job before and you've delivered great results. So now they're willing to come back and they're willing to refer others, and therefore you have a consistent revenue stream. All of this means a stronger community presence. At the end of the day, you want to be well known in your community for delivering excellent results. Why patient retention should be at your top of your business strategy. Steady revenue with reduced acquisition cost. We spend a lot of money on trying to get new patients, but to re-engage with an old patient actually takes a lot less money. So it really reduces our acquisition costs for a new patient. The other item is organic referrals. Word of mouth referrals are very powerful. Getting existing patients to come back to physical therapy or to refer new patients to us is much more lucrative. Improve clinical outcomes and trust. These patients that come back to you trust you, and that's why they're back again. Enhance community presence. You want people in your community speaking well of you. Now, this is public relations at its core, and this is the benefit that you receive from having more patient retention. Strategies to drive patient retention while acquiring new patients. Deliver tailored care through personalization. Use comprehensive initial assessments and regularly update plans of care based on feedback. Leverage technology like your EMR to track and manage personalized treatment plans efficiently. Proactive communication and engagement. Use automated yet personal follow-ups post-treatment to check on progress. Offer multiple channels for patients to connect with your practice, such as portals and direct messaging. Educate and empower patients. Provide accessible resources for visual aids to educational webinars, explaining treatments and outcomes. This goes for home exercises as well. If you have a post-surgical patient, there's many different tools out there that you can actually show them some of the aspects of their surgery. Now, we play a unique role in this healthcare system. Surgeons often don't have the time to repeat the same thing over and over again. But as we know from our own education, that some things need to be repeated again and again to really sink in. Host community workshops to deepen patient engagement and position your practice as an educational resource. Invest in the patient experience. Train your staff so they understand that from the very beginning, from when they're answering the phone, it all makes an impact on the patient experience. Create a clean, comfortable, inviting clinic that patients get a smile from looking at. Leverage data and technology. Implement tools for online scheduling and telehealth to offer convenience. Monitor patient data to identify trends and define your approach. Now, this plays hand in hand with KPIs or statistics that you're monitoring your practice. Solicit feedback. I always say a clinic that cares asks. So ask your patients to fill out surveys for you. So that way you can get constant feedback on how you guys are doing as a clinic. Align retention with acquisition goals. Highlight patient testimonials and success stories in your outreach campaigns. Use targeted marketing to bring in patients aligned with your ideal clientele. Success stories. When you do well with a patient, make sure everyone knows how well you did with the patient. So use that in your advertising. We at AG Management are uniquely positioned to help you, the healthcare entrepreneur, to create the practice of your dreams by adding systems in place and utilizing the skill sets that we have put into our practice to build it, to a very large practice. And we've had rave reviews and we've won many national, local, and regional awards. Allow us to help you. Get in touch and let's have a conversation.